Have you ever wondered what the world would look like if we stopped emitting more carbon dioxide than we could absorb? Could we actually reverse climate change? Or is it too late? Net zero. The buzzword you've probably heard everywhere. It's on government agendas, corporate sustainability reports, and maybe even your social media feed. But what does it really mean? And more importantly, how does it affect you and me? Let's start with a simple idea. Imagine you're filling a bathtub, but the drain is slightly open. As long as water is flowing in faster than it's draining, the tub will eventually overflow. Now, think of that bathtub as our planet, and the water as greenhouse gases. Right now, we're pouring in emissions faster than the Earth can absorb them. Net zero is about balancing the flow, making sure we're not adding more than we're taking out. But why is this balance so critical? Because the consequences of not achieving it are devastating. Rising sea levels, disappearing species, intense heat waves. These aren't just headlines. They're the reality for millions of people today. Here's the good news. Net zero isn't just a distant dream. It's a tangible goal, and countries, businesses, and communities are already taking steps toward it. Let's talk about how. Take Iceland, for example. This tiny Nordic country has tapped into its geothermal energy to power almost everything. Homes, factories, even greenhouses. It's a shining example of how renewable energy can replace fossil fuels. Then there's Costa Rica, which has managed to produce nearly all its electricity from renewable sources for years. These stories prove that transitioning to clean energy isn't just possible, it's practical. But net zero isn't just about switching to renewables. It's also about what we do with the emissions we can't eliminate. That's where carbon capture comes in. Picture this: a factory that not only reduces its emissions, but captures the carbon it does emit and stores it underground, where it can't heat the planet. Innovations like these are the backbone of the net zero mission. And what about individuals? Can our actions make a difference? Absolutely. Cutting down on food waste, switching to electric vehicles, and supporting sustainable brands are small yet powerful steps. Remember, net zero isn't just a policy, it's a mindset. Every choice we make, from the food on our plate to the energy we use, contributes to the bigger picture. But let's be real, getting to net zero won't be easy. It requires massive investments, bold policies, and most importantly, global cooperation. But what's the alternative? Continuing on our current path is no longer an option. So, here's the challenge. Start with one action. Maybe it's reducing your energy consumption, planting a tree, or even just educating yourself and others about net zero. Together, these small steps create ripples, and those ripples become waves of change. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest content. Let's work together to protect our planet.